How you all doing? How are you? Hope you all are doing beautifully good. Welcome back to my channel. This is Guchies Kitchen. If you're just stopping by, I want to say thank you, my new subscriber. Thank you, my incredible, consistent subscribers. You are all welcome to this platform. Today we are doing steak. So I just want to quickly show you. I don't want to waste time here. I want it juicy, guys. You know how you get those juice from your steak. Yeah, that's what I want to achieve here. I've gone ahead to marinate this meat since 2 days. Yeah, it's saying that I'm going to get a beautiful steak done. Marinated this is 2 days. Esther, could you just spray that? Esther is working with me in this kitchen today, so we are adding some lime, yeah, to this steak. That is what we want. We want that lime, flavor. Yeah, it's going to be wonderful. It's smelling good already. So this juice, I got it from all of this right here. I just added water here. That's just water. And I added my FLAKES pepper. I added my paprika. I added my black pepper. And I added my pink salt. You all know my blended stuffs. Yeah. I added this. It has ginger. It has onion. It has garlic. It has green chili. Okay, that's what I added. I used it to marinate my beef. So I want to do it today. I decided to go about it that way, and I added this. I added paprika. Added my black pepper. And I added my pink salt. Okay, that's all I have used to do my marinade. So I'm just going to put this in and I'll let it grill. I'm just going to put this in. We want to have some good time this afternoon. Yeah. I'll set my oven on 350. I'll allow it to grill for half an hour. Let's see how it goes anyway. Yeah. So guys, we want to have fun. We just want to give ourselves some treats. And guess what? We'll be using some salad to enjoy this goodness. Oh yeah. It's gonna be good. So hang on with us and have fun, okay? We want to check this steak, okay?
Okay.
Be careful though. Oh yeah. Woo. See that juice? See that juice? Yeah, I'm going to flip it to the other side. We are about to enjoy. Guys, we don't eat steak in this house. So honestly, we do not. But sometimes you just want to. I will advise you to go by my method, guys. I marinated this steak. Like I parboiled my steak first, wash out the blood water, and then did my marinade. I'm going to leave all this for testing when it is time. Testing, check, testing, check, testing. Yeah. So I'll let it cook some more, grill some more. Let it grill some more. Yep. Enough enjoyment. Yep. See how they are nodding their head. They are getting ready to eat. See you guys. Guys, our steak is ready. Ready.
Yeah.
See guys, We are eating it with these sumptuous. Woo, yeah. I've gone ahead to decorate my salad. Esther will be bringing this out in a minute. See the juice, guys. Ooh, guys, it smells so good. See all that? I love my steak. I love my steak. Woo. Guys, see that sumptuous. Woo. Drop this thing, Esther. Let's do some testing. Some check. Get it. Guys, it wasn't even up to half an hour. Those steak are good because I already parboiled it, marinated since yesterday, 2 days. Can you stop? It's so good, guys. This is so good. Here is the end result, guys. Here is the end result. Give it a like. Okay? Guchies team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. Ciao. Bye.